In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use hashtags on LinkedIn to enhance your posts, making them more visible and engaging to your audience. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to LinkedIn, understanding how to effectively use hashtags can significantly impact your networking and visibility on the platform. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the LinkedIn website. If you're not already logged in, you'll see two options for signing in. Sign in with Google or continue with your account. Choose the option that applies to you and access your LinkedIn home feed. Once you're on the home feed, look for the option to start a post at the top of the page. This is your gateway to sharing content with your connections and the broader LinkedIn community. Click on it to open the post creation window. Now for the exciting part, using hashtags in your post. To add a hashtag, simply type the hash sign followed by the topic or keyword relevant to your post. For instance, if you're sharing marketing insights, you might use hash marketing tips. The beauty of hashtags on LinkedIn is that they not only categorize your content, but also increase its discoverability to users following those specific hashtags. After typing out your post and including one or several relevant hashtags, it's time to share your insights with the world. Look for the Post button, usually found at the bottom of the post creation window, and click on it. Congratulations, you've just shared a post with hashtags on LinkedIn. A few tips to remember: keep your hashtags relevant and specific to the content of your post. LinkedIn is a professional platform, so it's important to use hashtags that add value to your post and are likely to be followed by your target audience. Also, don't overdo it. A few well-chosen hashtags are usually more effective than a long list. Using hashtags on LinkedIn is a simple yet powerful way to increase your post's reach and engagement. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively incorporate hashtags into your LinkedIn strategy, helping you connect with like-minded professionals and participate in industry-specific conversations. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to use hashtags on LinkedIn to maximize your post's potential. Happy posting!